And Kate, local HVAC companies are getting slammed with calls about broken air conditioners amid the heat wave. But some experts say there are ways you can prevent your unit from breaking down. Eyewitness News reporter Alicia Nieves joins us now from Cherry Hill with those tips. Alicia?
Well, Yuki, we are told the wait for an AC repair right now is at least a day. That is 24 hours in uncomfortable and dangerous heat. So experts with the HVAC companies say that there are at least two things that you can do right now to prevent a breakdown. In the middle of a heat wave hitting the region, PJM, a company responsible for managing the regional electric grid, says today the grid is expected to reach a peak electrical usage, the highest it's been in about a decade.
Today is looking to be about a peak demand day for us. But that said, when we're planning for these peak demands, we make sure there's reserve margins, extra generation, to make sure that if something goes wrong and we lose a generator or two, we don't have to turn people's lights off.
PJM has a team of people in place to ensure that as more and more people blast their air conditioning units, the grid can maintain the electrical demand.
We'll make sure you have the power for the air conditioning. You don't have to worry about that.
But air conditioning companies say you do have to worry about making sure your air conditioning unit is being properly maintained through this heat wave.
It's all about keeping it clean, making sure it's not obstructive, making sure a lot of times landscapers cut around too close around it. The grass clippings get caught up. You want to make sure this coil in here is nice and clean. So if you get a hose and hose it down, that's a good way to keep it nice and clear.
Experts at Haley's Oil and AC in Malvern, Pennsylvania say you should also keep your unit running even when you're not home.
The starting and stopping is very hard on an air condition, and it's even harder on your energy bill.
Following these two tips could save you not just from the heat, but from costly repair bills.
If they're breaking right now, you could be looking at hundreds of dollars, maybe $1,000.
And we're told regular maintenance on your home AC unit is about $100, and that really goes a long way in preventing a unit breakdown right now. Trust me, we have been inside homes without AC today, and that is something you do not want to have to deal with. Live in Cherry Hill, Alicia Nieves, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.